There are two ways of, we have two of, we have, I will continue recording. All right, guys. If you have your question, please stop me and ask me a question immediately. Let's continue. So what we are seeing here now, like I said before, inside this identical horizontale, everybody in this type of road, in this course here, have to wait. You give way. Is it clear now? Let's continue. I believe we must have seen this situation many times on the road. Yes, there's a vertical signboard here. Also, they also paint it on the ground, telling you to give way. You give way to whoever is coming on this main road. Is it clear? You must give way to them. Are you guys following me now? You will give them way. You give way to the main road. Now, students, watch. Let us focus our attention inside the road that they will give way. Let us focus follow me, guys. Let us focus our attention inside this particular place where you will see this direct precedenza. Even or if you look at the opposite of it, the same thing here. Let's focus our attention there. Now, let's go further, guys. Now, before I explain this one, I better do some. Let's check one more thing again. Now, you are seeing something like this. Look at this kind of situation. They wrote a STOPRB. If you look here, you don't have a good visibility. You cannot even see who's coming from the left-hand side. It's not easy to see very well. That's why they put STOP. Even in this road, there's a curve here, probably. It's not easy to see who is coming from there. So they are not telling you that, look, once you reach it, just stop your car, wait. Then once you now notice that the road is free, you can now move. You can now continue your movement. Now, guys, follow me. We're about to now do something a little bit more serious. Now, watch. Everybody, bring out your jotter now. Even if you are lying down, bring out your jotter, please. Everybody. There's something you're going to do for me now. Now, watch. I'm about to teach you guys the different kind of names they call those roads that you will give way. Those roads that now them will give way. Those people that they will give way. I'm about to teach you guys the name they call them. Your quiz. Now, everybody, please don't look at this green car. Forget about even this line, this black line. Forget about it. Just focus your attention on the corsia that this segnale horizontale and this vertical signboard, wherever it is binding there, focus your attention there. That is arrow and A. Focus your attention on this guy and this guy. Because here they have direct precedenza. What am I doing now? I'm about to teach you guys different names the patente calls them, in case you are doing quiz. Now watch. They call them what? Strada secondaria. Now, I believe many of you now must have seen that word, strada secondaria. Now, whenever you are doing quiz and you hear the word strada secondaria, automatically know that strada secondaria simply means a road that after some time, I will give way to the main road. Is it clear now? What am I doing? Are you guys following me? Please, this lesson is very important. Everybody in this arrow and this A, they call them what? Strada secondaria. Because you know why? Because you have to give way to other people. They call them strada secondaria. Another name they call them is what? Strada che non gode diritto di precedenza. Road that doesn't enjoy right of movement. Strada che non gode. Gode means enjoy. Road that doesn't enjoy the right of movement. Are you guys with me? Strada che non gode diritto di precedenza. That's the second name they call them. Number 3, strada che non ha diritto di precedenza. Road that doesn't have the right of movement. Students, this is I'm teaching you. If you like, don't write it down. If you like, don't write it down. If I'm you guys, I'll write it down. I will write all these things down. I'm teaching you guys the names they call this road. Where we say, then go give way. Are you guys following me? Now, it's not only because, now follow me. Also, yeah, remember, you can also see STOP here. The topic is direct precedenza, B. I'm teaching you guys those roads that they will give you. I'm telling you the names they call them. So it doesn't matter whether you see STOP or direct precedenza. We are checking the names they call them. The names they call those roads. So they can call them strada secondaria. In case you are doing quiz, you hear the word strada secondaria. Automatically know that strada secondaria simply means all those roads that you give, now you give way to other people. Is it clear now, guys? Because you will see it a lot in patente. Strada che non gode diritto di precedenza. Strada che non ha diritto di precedenza. Road that don't have the right. Because why they say non ha diritto di precedenza means that they don't have the right of movement. They have to stop and give way. Strada che deve dare la precedenza. Road that they must give way to other people. Strada subordinata. Why they call them strada subordinata? Yes, because some quiz, I've seen it in quiz. There are some quiz that can call them strada subordinata. They must give way to other people. Lastly, strada di minore importanza. Why do they call them minore importanza? They are not the main road. They are not the main road. Strada di minore importanza. Strada di minore importanza. Student, is there any question so far? Ask your question. Oh, me, I'm laughing about it. Ask your question. So if you want to screenshot this,
You said strada secondaria number 1.
yes, strada
Number
secondaria,
strada che non gode.
gode, strada che non
No,
gode, diritto di
number
precedenza.
3.
Number three, strada che non ha diritto di precedenza. They don't have the right of movement.
Okay.
Strada che deve dare la precedenza. Road that
Che deve dare?
they are the ones to give way. They are the ones to give way to other people. Strada subordinata also means they are the ones to give way to other people. Strada di minore importanza. Roads that have less importance. Because they have less importance. All right.
Understood. Thank you, sir.
Okay, ma. Okay, guys. So so what have we done? We've done something great. We have done something very deep because we have learned a lot about these people that they will give way. These people that they will give way. See, we've not even started talking about those people that have the right of movement too. We are just focusing our attention on those people that will give way to other people. And if you look very well, we've not even started reading it from our book, but we already started breaking it down very well. Is it clear now? All right. Let me explain one thing again before we go and read it. Watch. So me now, I'll start using their technical names. If I see them, I'll use the technical name. Is it clear now? All right. Now, I want to show us something. There is also a particular topic which we will soon see. They call it preavviso di dare precedenza. I'm coming. Before I do this, yes. Preavviso di dare precedenza. Guys, follow me. Preavviso di dare precedenza. If you guys remember, when I taught you guys about segnale di obbligo, where in the front, you will see the segnale in the front. So remember, preavviso di... Who remember that one? Direzione consentita a destra. Who remember that particular guy? It's the same thing you apply here. Now, what does this thing simply mean? Look, what do they mean by preavviso di dare precedenza? Let me break it down for us. It simply means that, look, you first of all see, and when it is preavviso di dare precedenza, you will see a pannello integrativo under the preavviso, which is telling us distanza. B, we know the meaning of distanza. Yes. That means it's telling you that at a distance of 320 meters, you arrive to the dare precedenza. That simply means that you will see dare precedenza in the front. Preavviso simply means they are pre-telling you that in the front, you will see you will see this particular guy, which we just already broken down, even though we've not started reading it. You will see dare precedenza in the front. The preavviso simply means they are pre-telling you that for front, you will not see dare precedenza where you have to give way. Is this part okay now? Is this part clear? Hello? Okay. Preavviso simply means they are telling you that in the front. Now, when you go to the front, you will not see direct presence in the front there. It's the same knowledge.
You said
yes.
Preaviso means in the front. It's telling you have to give way in
Now,
the
it
front,
is
no?
now, if you see when we did obligo, that time we did obligo, we did something similar. Remember, where we said that in the front, when you arrive there, you now see that particular guy in the front. It is pre-telling you that what you see in the front. Now, in this situation, the preavviso di dare precedenza, now the preavviso di dare precedenza simply means that, look, focus your attention on this guy that has pannello integrative on top. This is the preavviso. They are telling you that they are pretending that in 320 meters, in that encroacho, you arrive to a place where you give way. Now, when you arrive to that place, you will now see my arrow. You will now see this guy, dare precedenza there. Precede, o sono they wrote it there. Precede dare precedenza. Is it clear now? You will not see dare precedenza in the front. So this simply means that in 320 meters, it can be any value. They wrote it 320 meters. At a distance of 320 meters, you have to give way. Is it clear now? Apply the knowledge of giving way. All right, guys. Lastly, before we start reading it down, what about STOP? How do you identify STOP? They call this guy preavviso di fermarsi e dare precedenza. Preavviso di fermarsi. a direct. Now, preaviso is stop. Now, how do you recognize them? Watch. On top of it, they'll write stop. They will not put direct precedenza under it. Is it clear now? It simply means they are pre-telling you that in, for example, here, in 150 meters, it can be any value. Don't forget, you will see stop in the front where you're obligated to stop there. You're obligated to stop there. That is, you first of all see the preaviso first. Now, when you go front, you will now see the particular STOP there. That is the meaning of the preaviso. They are pre-telling you that FEMAS here, that represents they for front. Very, very simple, guys. Is there any question? Let me see if this one. This one, no, we've not gotten there. Is there any question, guys? Is there any question?
No.
All right.
Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
ma'am. Yes.
Okay, this very one.
No, no, no,
Excuse me.
no.
This very one you
No, no,
explain.
no, look that one. We'll never get there.
No, I mean the one you just explained now, the last
Yes,
one
ma'am.
before this one.
Okay. This
This
one.
yes, this very one. Meaning this one when the right stop 150 meter. So I never understand that one very well.
Now, my sister, have you understood preaviso di dare precedenza? Hello?
I did hear you, sir.
I know, ask you a question. You don't understand preaviso di dare You don't understand that one?
Somehow. I don't understand.
All right. I think it's better we just read them. Then I will now explain it again. It's very, very simple.
Okay.
But let us read it one by one. Then I will now explain it again when we get there. Now, let us read it one by one. Let us first of all understand what is direct precedenza. I don't break it down for us, but let us start reading it one by one, and we will see. I don't watch. È un segnale di precedenza, B? Yes, è un segnale di prescrizione. Watch you. Mrs. Blessing, write and down, everybody. Write the definition down. Write and down, so that if you know say don't write and down. Watch. Obbliga a dare precedenza ai veicoli provenienti sia da destra che da sinistra sulla strada che si incrocia. It is obligating me and you to give way. You give way to vehicles coming from both left and right. Sulla strada che si incrocia, on the junction. In that junction, give way to whoever is on the main road. Are you guys following me now? You don't write and down. Obbliga dare precedenza ai veicoli provenienti both from the left and right hand side. On the junction where they go meet them. Now watch. This segnale, information, si può trovare sia fuori centro abitati, even in centro abitato. Have you written it down? You can find it both inside the city and outside the city. It comes out in quiz. Next one. Ad esempio.
Charles, please, you need to slow down.
Okay.
Please.
Sorry. Okay. Okay, yeah. Now, they're going to say, example, su strada secondaria. I would have loved to ask question here. Can I ask question? Because
Sure.
because I
Yes.
don't explain what
Yes,
is
sir. Yes, sir.
yeah.
You can ask.
I've explained what is strada secondaria. Let me see if a student jot down what I explained. They said, example of direct precedenza, strada secondaria. You see I'm now. I don't use one stone, keep plenty bed. Now let me now ask a student a question here on what we just explained. Nah. They said that example of strada of direct precedenza now waiting, strada secondaria. Let me see. Let me call a particular student. Now you come tell us. Please, if I call you, you answer. Mr. Uwa. Hello, Mr. Uwa. Hello, Mr. Uwa.
Hello, good evening.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. Now they said examples of strada of direct precedenza, road of direct precedenza waiting. Now strada secondaria. What is a strada secondaria, sir?
Please, I just dey join the class now.
Now, as you join us now, you see, say you don't understand what I explained before. How we go take
Just
Juan? How we go take Juan?
because it's not my fault. I just dey come back
swear.
from hospital now. Since a week now, I
Sorry.
dey hospital, I good
No,
for work.
sorry. This way.
I just dey join the class. I don't
Sorry.
understand
I
it.
hope say you know this serious.
No, since it happened since a week ago.
No,
Dey serious.
Nah, it go be
I
hit.
even dey malatia. A week now, I dey malatia now till on
Sorry.
Monday.
This way. All right. Oh, I'll call you after. All right. Mrs. Chinelo, what is, they said, example of direct precedence and a strata secondaria, ma. Can you explain to the class? What is strata secondaria for what I just taught you? Nah.
Strada secondaria is the road where you give way.
Exactly, ma. It's a road where you give way. Wonderful. All right. I'm very happy say she don't understand this one. Now what? They said, example of where you go see this guy. Na strada secondaria. Che non ha diritto di precedenza. You dey see am now, which I've already told you. In those roads, they don't get they call them what? Strada che non ha diritto di precedenza. And you all have written it down. You have screenshotted, you don't screenshot them. Let's continue. What you they say you will see this guy also where? In corsia di accelerazione per l'emissione in autostrada. Man, show na something. And it make a lot of sense. They say you see this guy where? In corsia di accelerazione per l'emissione in autostrada. I want to show you guys something. Just that time no day. I don't know what you guys think. This topic is interesting for me. It's very nice. And I don't know
But
whether
I
you guys
sent time hard.
it's the same time hard. And I don't want to I don't like to do it half. I would like to finish it today.
Yes, I not finish out today.
No, I dey come, my brother.
I don't understand. You finish. You just start the topic today. You finish on today.
My sister,
I
true.
don't
I want to finish
understand.
am today. You know why? Because if I do a half,
joke, our
it go
teacher
hard.
they joke, followers joke.
Because some of them they travel, some of them they go when they go, and I want more gonna get the full distance. That is what I mean. Be say after the lesson,
Anybody where they
are
go
we
holiday may put in for luggage. I will join now.
exactly? So what did I try say? Be say after the lesson now, can we wait again? Like we join again. Let's do more 15 minutes, only 15 minutes. Then move. Let's see where we can finish. Because this lesson, if you do half, it's not good. Because there are a lot of things we need to see here. So I'm saying it for those of us where they travel next week or
He said he saw tomorrow now. Again.
but I mean I don't tomorrow na Friday.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know.
Let's do it today, because tomorrow
Today.
I won't be.
Now it's not a talk. Let's do it. Yeah, I just prefer you guys to join 15
But sir,
minutes.
that 15 minutes will finish.
We'll try. Anything we'll try. Not say we'll finish, but we'll go a long way.
Sir, we don't finish. And now rush. You want rush. It don't make sense like that now. Easy,
All right.
Nana.
But Mrs.
Now
Blessing,
rush.
you they travel. You they travel go Nigeria. You see, Anna, why they do assist for you? I do am for una.
Please, sir, add me to this group. You have not yet add me to this group.
To this group.
Yes,
My
sir.
brother, you never do your something.
Sir, you won't rush it to that.
Mr. Charles,
Do. First of all,
will be
do the
15
do.
Mr.
minutes.
Charles,
Ma,
good evening, sir. I just
Good
the better class with no verse. Just me just dey do my own. I beg this Segnale, this Darela presentation. You they teach us since how many years? We never see understand. Today when you want us and I want understand. I beg slow down or don't finish. That 15 minutes when person want to come again, don't finish her for there. No, maybe just be 45 minutes. Everybody go close and go in your house.
God will bless Mrs. Elus. Since when you dey teach this daddy precedenza, now today I understand them.
Me, I never even understand that.
God. All right. It is well. Okay, guys. We'll do the one we'll do. Okay, I want to explain something here. Then before the time finish, then we'll know what we'll do. All right, guys. Please follow me. They're going to say, you will see that precedenza for where they call corsia di accelerazione. See, for those who remember, in corsia di accelerazione, you will see this guy there. See, corsia di accelerazione, I want to find somebody's trouble. Why do they call it strada secondaria, in your opinion? Who can answer? Mr. Geoffrey.
Because it has no director president.
Watch. My question now, why do they call it strada secondaria? I don't say you don't get it, but can you break it down? Because I've not remember we have not started
because it just join the main road.
Because you will give way to the main road. You remember? You will give way to the main road. If you remember when we did Corsia di Accelerazione, you go to continue to the drive for year. See I'm here. Once you see the road on the free, you now enter. You will see this guy there. And they call this thing Corsias, they call it strada secondaria. Yes, and it is vero. Is it clear now? Let's continue. So you don't see example of strada secondaria. They say you see it where sulle rampe di raccordo per emissione in autostrada. What is rampe di raccordo? In those particular places where you can enter autostrada, you see there because you have to give way. Even if you are coming out of Corsia di Accelerazione, at a point you give way. Are you following me now? Guys, watch.
So can we see the picture of sulle rampe della raccorda? What is it called?
Yeah. Can I leave it for you guys as homework? Because if not, if you see all the picture, we will not go home today. Check. Can we do it as homework? Can I give you guys can check it. The ones I can show you guys, I'll show you guys, but please check it on your own. If not, we will not finish today. All right, guys, watch. I want to explain this. They said, Abinato adun semaforo. See, this topic here is very long. This topic here is very, very long. See, semaphore is a topic that even old students, I believe they never even still understand them. Many of them never still understand. It's a very long topic. I will remind us when we get there. You can underline it. They said, abinato. On that word for abinato means, you can also say, munito. They said, if they put it close to a semaphore, that is, if they put a semaphore on that here, it is now working as a pannolo integrativo. In tale caso, this direct precedenza will be working as what? Funciona a luce gialla lampeggiante. Now, what is luce gialla lampeggiante? Put it question mark. When we get there, we'll explain it. Is it clear now? So in case you stand for your quiz now, don't do it now because we've not done it. It is very long. Now, we'll get there. They said that if they carry a semaphore put on that here, they didn't tell us which one though. They tell you that semaphore, this direct precedenza is working as luce gialla. And luce gialla lampeggiante means two things. When we get there, we'll talk about it. We can't talk about it now. Let's continue. Rules and regulation. Impone l'uso della massima prudenza al fine di evitare incidente. They said they are imposing me and you to use maximum prudence. Yes. Remember, in this particular road, you must use maximum prudence because you will give way a B. Moderare particolarmente la velocità. Watch. E all'occorrenza fermarsi. What do you mean of occorrenza? And if necessary, stop. Watch you. Non è obbligatorio fermarsi. In direct precedenza, it's not obligatory that you must stop there. Watch you. All'incrocio. Se, they even put here comma, rallentando, they put comma again. Si ha modo di vedere che non ci sono veicoli in arrivo, sia da destra che da sinistra. What I told you guys before. In direct precedenza, if you arrived there with a wonderful car from January, and you found out that, look, in that strada secondaria, you now see the main road that cars are not coming from left and right. You are not obligated to stop there. If you have a way, si ha modo di vedere che non ci sono veicoli in arrivo, sia da destra che da sinistra. Let's continue. So we don't learn something very important. Then remember that's the difference between fermarsi, between direct precedenza and STOP. Watch. Su strada extraurbana. If you find this segnale in strada extraurbana, that is outside the city, è preceduto da segnale preavviso di dare precedenza. They said if you see them outside the city, you go see this preavviso di dare precedenza for front. Is it clear now? And this is what I was trying to explain to you guys. And I stop and I say what? You know what? Let's just go read them to avoid confusion. They are trying to explain us this thing. We'll get there. Let's do it. Let's go there systematically. They said outside the city, of course, you first of all see this. You first of all see the preavviso. What they tell you, say for front, you will now see direct precedenza. Like this picture you are seeing here. Sorry, like the picture you are seeing here. Outside the city, you will first of all see this guy first. In the front, you will now see the direct precedenza there. Because now we know the meaning of direct precedenza now. They said, su strada extraurbana. Is it clear now? All right. Let's continue. Now watch. Se occorre arrestarsi. Now, if you need, occorre means if, occorre doesn't mean to run. No. Occorre means if you need. If you need to stop your car, bisogna che ciò avvenga in corrispondenza della striscia trasversale. That thing I showed you guys. That's why I start. In our next topic, somebody will explain. You start from striscia trasversale. You will now start explaining it in small. The way I explain it. They say that if you need to stop your car, you must do it in correspondence in that particular place that they call. See, they call it here striscia trasversale. Either they call it continua or arresto. Are you guys following me now? Yes. Formata da una serie di triangoli bianchi. And for those who don't forget, no. They're talking about this guy. If you need to stop your car, bisogna che ciò avvenga in corrispondenza. Inside this particular place, they call striscia trasversale di arresto o continua. Formato da triangle inside them. Are you guys following me now? All right, we don't break it down already. Triangoli bianchi. Now watch you. Non è vero che è preceduto da segnale diritto di precedenza. Guys, inside direct precedenza, Watch, write it down. Nothing, I repeat, nothing concerns diritto di precedenza. Because see, number one, we've not even started doing diritto di precedenza. We are still treating dare precedenza. You can never see a dare precedenza. Any segnale of dare precedenza, you can never see it inside diritto di precedenza. The same thing, you can never see a segnale of diritto di precedenza inside dare precedenza. They have nothing in common. Next one. Non è vero che si può trovare su strada con diritto di precedenza. You can never see dare precedenza segnale inside diritto di precedenza. Please write it down. I said in the beginning that all dare precedenza segnale, the triangle is going downwards. The triangle, they go downwards. Watch you. When we start doing diritto di precedenza, we'll see the difference. Oh, okay, let's continue. Is there any question, guys, concerning dare precedenza?
This segnale is the segnale di prescrizione.
Of course, Les. I said it before. It's a segnale di prescrizione.
Okay.
Is your father name? Okay. Preavviso di dare precedenza. The picture I was telling you, I was showing you guys before. That means if you apply the same knowledge when I taught you guys about obligo, let me show you guys for those who don't forget. See him. It works like this same guy. You see him now. You first of all see this guy. Now when you go front, you will not see that thing in the front. It works like this same guy. Is it clear now? Which I taught you guys the other time. Now, let's go back. Preavviso di dare precedenza. Siamo. How do you know the segnale? They'll put a panel integrative on top, showing you the meters. It can be kilometers, it can be meters. It doesn't necessarily mean that it is 320. It can be any number. Now what? È un segnale di prescrizione. Preannuncia la successiva presenza. See, it is telling us what you go see for front, what you go see for the in future of dare. You will see dare precedenza in the front. They wrote it in capital letter. You will see dare precedenza in the front. Is it clear now? Now, when you get to that incrocio, you will now see dare precedenza there. That you have to give way. Mrs. Blessing, you don't understand that now. That is, with your wonderful car, you go first of all see this guy. Before you can see, when you now go in 320 meters, you will now see the direct precedenza in the front there. What is this trying to tell you? Remember, indica la distanza, because we know that this panel integrativo means distanza. There are no two arrows going up. La distanza dall'incrocio in cui dovremo dare la precedenza. Rules and regulation indica di rallentare per potersi fermare se ci sono veicoli cui bisogna dare la precedenza. You have to slow down. And so you can stop your car in case you want to give way, so you can give way to vehicles. È posto su strada extraurbana che non ha diritto di precedenza. Is it clear now? They put it on those roads where non ha diritto di precedenza. All these names, we have seen them. Is there any question, guys? All right. Fermarsi e dare precedenza. This particular guy, which I don't really want to kill him already because we've already broken it down a lot. Is it clear now? All right. Now, they said, è un segnale di prescrizione. Obbliga a fermarsi in corrispondenza of that particular striscia trasversale di arresto. You see it there. In that particular place, you're obligated to stop in that particular striscia trasversale di arresto. Watch. Anche se non c'è nessuno, even if there are no vehicles coming, you're obligated to stop there. This is the main difference between dare precedenza and fermarsi e dare precedenza. Students, I hope in your jotter, you wrote it like this. Fermarsi e dare precedenza means a particular thing. Dare precedenza means another thing. And I hope you treated the way I treat them. Because me, I will ask question later on. When we come back from break, nobody say, Che, we will not ask question, but next time in our lesson, we will ask question. A student will explain everything. The way I take explain this slide, you go explain, I will show you pictures, you start explaining this. From this guy, you enter here, the way I explain everything. Okay, let's continue. Now they can't say what? They say you're obligated to stop your car in corrispondenza. And in this class, we should all know the meaning of corrispondenza. All right. Anche se non c'è nessuno, e dare la precedenza ai veicoli provenienti both from the left and from the right. Watch. You can see the segnale both inside the city and outside the city. Examples, where you go see them. In genere, nell'incroci con scarsa visibilità. Like I told you guys before, where they put this, why they put STOP? Because everything they put in road makes sense. They put it where you have scarce visibility. Because they know that you cannot see very well. You can't see the root very well because maybe there might be a stratoia somewhere. There might be curva somewhere. Is it clear now? Let's continue. Scarsa visibilità e particolare pericolosità. Are you following me now? Yes. They can put it where? In corrispondenza di un passaggio a livello. Remember, yeah, it can be in passaggio a livello also. All'incrocio con una strada con diritto di precedenza. Sì, in a junction we say, in the main road you now see diritto di precedenza. It makes sense. Because this segnale, it therefore dare precedenza route, it therefore strada secondaria. All'incrocio, in the junction, you will now see diritto di precedenza. It makes sense. Let's continue. Watch. Abbinato ad un semaforo, if you now put a semaforo under it, in tale caso, tale means in such case, vale quando il semaforo funziona a luce gialla lampeggiante. Are you guys following me? If they now put a semaforo under it, this segnale is now working like luce gialla lampeggiante. And luce gialla lampeggiante means a particular thing. All right, let's continue, which we say we'll discuss it on that time. Now, su strada extraurbana è preceduto da segnale preavviso di stop, which I already show you guys already. They said if you find this segnale outside the city, you go first of all see. È preceduto means you go first of all see this guy. You first of all see, for example, the road here 150 can be 200, can be 350, can be any number. You first of all see STOP, the distance it will take you. Now, when you get to that particular encroacher, you will now see STOP there. It's the same thing. Preavviso. Preavviso means they are telling you that in the front you will now see fermarsi e dare precedenza. Very, very simple, guys. Is there any question? I beg, ask your question.
Hello, Mr. Charles.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can see this outside the city or in the city.
Sir?
The boat. You can see this this stop outside the city, isn't
Yes,
it? And
outside the city, yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
See, it doesn't mean that you cannot see inside the city also. You can also see inside the city. But they said if you're outside the city, you first of all see the preavviso first before you now see the main segnale. All right. I have a funny question.
If it's inside the city, you cannot see preavviso.
Exactly, you will not see. That's a wonderful one, my brother. God bless you. Is it clear now? That's a wonderful observation. Yes. If inside the city, you will not see preavviso first. You will just see the STOP. That's a wonderful one. And the same thing, this thing when you talk now, it has validity also for many segnali we get preavviso. The preavviso that you see before you see the other segnale. All right, guys, I have a question. Can you see this particular situation? Can you see it in autostrada?
Exactly the question I wanted to ask teacher.
No, sir.
No, we
No,
cannot.
sir.
You can never, ever. See, you can never, ever see this thing in autostrada. The same thing, you can never, ever see it in strada extraurbana principale because there are no encroaching there. There are no junctions. All right, guys.
Yeah.
See, even if they tell you outside city means strada secondaria. Is it clear now? Outside city means outside city. You know means you don't enter autostrada. Are you guys following me now? All right, because we have different names of road. See, we have 2 minutes. I wanted to ask you guys something. Una one more continue 15 minutes. We'll do 15 minutes more.
I said tomorrow, do another lesson tomorrow.
Tomorrow Friday.
We'll meet next time, please, sir.
Have another day.
We need to cook. We not get our wife here. We need to cook.
Just the
And do some things.
All right, guys. I know tomorrow. I wanted to also remind us.
Because I wasn't able to jot down everything. We are a bit too fast today.
Chai.
Yeah.
Also, Mio, I jumped so many things.
Even when I started this new, I know
So now not jot anything that. Now wow.
I jotted, but not everything because before I will finish one, you're already in number 3.
No, my sister, in case you stop immediately. You stop me. I know I will stop. You say let it jot. I will wait for you. I'll wait for you. Okay, guys. Can we meet tomorrow?
Yes, you can meet.
Can we meet tomorrow?
Yes, now.
By God's grace, yeah.
So what time tomorrow?
The same time. Okay. All of us the house now. Move do at 6 o'clock. Since all of us the house. Let's do it.
No, sir, 6 o'clock. I see they work, sir.
I'm
okay,
still at work.
Okay,
no, not the
let's do it 7 o'clock.
Time I tell the goal.
Guys, one more thing, I beg. As we dey finish now, abeg, if you never pay my money, if you pay my money, oh, it is important. No be say I no dey call you. No be say I no dey call you, means I no need that. Guys,
I
come,
best
when
add
I
me
pay
join
my,
the group. Oh.
eh?
Add me
Do
join the
the do.
group.
Do the do
Do
exactly.
the do.
It's very important.
No,
When I pay my
Yeah.
money, it's very important. Guys, thank you
Yeah,
very much.
Do
Now, don't
the
forget,
do.
abeg. Because if you no pay money, how you go take check? It's not good to stop the lesson. Oh
If
my,
you no pay money now, how teacher won't take buy fuel, put for jail
exactly,
now.
man. You see, Anna. So please, very important. You are so as I'm helping you guys, you help me also. All right, thank you very much. I beg. As when I collect money for August, I'm not remember your teacher. Say you have to complete your payment. Don't
the
forget, I
one.
beg.
Hello, sir. Second class not they exist again. I
No,
mean,
it
you don't
exists
join
now.
us
I wrote you
together.
guys now. I wrote you guys. I wrote you guys say it exists. We'll focus
Because
on that
now
one
two
from next
times
week.
now we don't do
Because if
join
not let me, I'll
together.
finish that one fast. So I want to take us time. More, you guys, and the vision for you, my sister. You can be doing the vision here.